We're going off road, way back off the highway.
What's up, guys? Help us reach our goal of 500 subs by hitting that subscribe button, notification bell, like, comment, and share.
What's up, guys? Alright, on this one we are going to be changing the wheel bearings on the LJ here. And we're going to show you guys how to do it. But first, we're almost at 500 subscribers.
Almost there.
And as soon as we hit that, which will probably be next week, maybe sometime this week,
Hopefully.
then we're going to do another giveaway. So make sure that we get this up, because the higher we go up, the more giveaways we'll do. But another giveaway is coming up real soon, so make sure that you subscribe so you don't miss it. Also, hit that notification bell. Alright, you might be wondering why we got two different kinds. Jamie, why do we have two different kinds of wheel bearings here?
We have two different kinds because the man at the auto parts store only had two different kinds.
Yeah.
The cheaper brand and the more expensive brand.
So this one was a little more, and I guess it came with a longer warranty.
I think a longer warranty, but actually I paid the same price because I was like, because of the inconvenience of not having the cheaper one, give me that one for this price, and it worked.
Alright, so that's why there's two different kinds. First thing we got to do is take the wheels off.
Take the wheels off.
Alright, let's take the wheels off.
There we go. There we go.
So now that we got the wheel off, we're going to remove the carter pin and axle nut. Jamie's removing the carter pin now. I don't know why, but all we could find were vice grips.
I know why. I have a kid.
Children. Children.
And these are, I think these are the ones you buy at the Dollar Tree for $1.
How do you buy something for $1 and still feel ripped off?
I don't know. I feel that way right now. China, you ripped me off.
Almost there.
Almost not there.
Alright, so remove the carter pin. Alright, so he pretty much molested that one worse than a priest at a sleepover. But he got it out.
I got it out.
Alright,
I showed it who's boss.
that's right. Tony Danza that bitch.
I Tony Danza it. Okay. Now's a good time to pull out good old pine straw you have from Rudd.
Yeah.
Probably threw muck in.
These winter months you can use it as a firewood
Yeah.
starter. Yeah, keep
Is it?
warm.
It's good and dry right now.
Yeah, look at that.
Alright. What is that size? What is that size? Ooh, don't scratch it. It looks like a 14. Can we get a 14, my man?
We can. Alright, now we're going to remove the brake caliper.
And there's two.
Oh, those. And just put those out to the side. Get all that nice sand out of there. Alright. Remove your rotor. Now you're at the meat and potatoes.
Alright, now you got to take off your axle nut, and then there's 3 bolts right here on the back. You can see them poking through here.
Alright, so the impact wouldn't do it, so we got a good old-fashioned breaker bar. Put some muscle behind it. Go ahead. Ain't that a bitch? Son of a bitch. Broke the wrench.
Never seen that happen before.
round 3. Attempt 5, 6, I don't fucking know.
Yeah, I did break it.
Ah, I broke it. You missed it, but 4th one it's broke. Last one we have the break.
And it looks like it's already broke.
And it's probably already broke.
Oh, but it's broke in reverse.
It's broke in reverse. It's a reverser only. And it's a piece of shit and it's broke. Well, fuck, sir. So, all those are broken now. And the impact is broken as well.
It's not broken. Just needs the screws tightened. If I can get them. It's too damn hard to touch.
Alright, so we're gonna weld this motherfucker shut and then try to break it off. So we welded it and it broke the head off. Alright, let's fucking bolt. Back again. 7th attempt, 8th attempt, I don't know what attempt it is. Jesus, this.
Up, we're back here again. We had to go down to Alan's dad's shop and get his air wrench to get it off because old little Makita here wasn't powerful enough, or the 5 breaker bars and other stuff that we broke wasn't good enough. So we got it off. He tightened it back up, so it should be free enough now to come off. And let's give it a shot. Makita was strong enough that time. All right, you got to take your brake rotor and caliper off to get to this, and then you've got 3 bolts right here to take off. There's 1, 2, and then the 3rd one down here on the bottom somewhere, or no, it's over here on the back side. And hopefully those will come off very smoothly. So we lowered the nose, that axle nut shorted. Alright, now we just need to take off the 3 bolts. Alright, that one broke free. Let's see if we can get this back. Come on, bad boy. Yeah. We got this. Alright, we got that one. One more to get, and we should be on the home free stretch. All right, now that's all 3 of your bolts. Now you gotta take a hammer and just tap it free. See how it's separated? It should, oh, it's still a little tight. Still ever so slightly.
It's coming.
It's coming, but it ain't wanting to let go.
that dirt up in there.
There it goes. And it's just stuck.
Not want to come out.
It's free now. All right, let's get the new one. All right, now that we have it off, you can kind of inspect it and hear. I don't know if you can, the mic's picking that up, but you can see it kind of wobbling back and forth. That's not recommended. Oh, now that looks pretty.
Looks real pretty.
Oh, I got a knife in my pocket. Cut that zip tie. Then we'll spin it and I'll show you what it sounds like compared to that old one. So you can't even really spin it. It'll spin, but it's
quieter.
Oh, it's so quiet. There's no back and forth. So this would be a nice upgrade. Nice factory upgrade. Actually, got a little spare lube over here. A little lubricant on it will help it. Hopefully not seize up as bad next time we take it off. That even looks better.
Mm-hmm.
Get these brakes put back together and then we can put it all back. And then do the driver's side.
$6,000 on a JL. That's okay, cause I won't tell. If you wanna go, well, I know a trail. Might scratch your paint, but oh well. Got an XJ for $1,200.